This video will show you how to add extra content into your movie and just a couple of tricks there. So we need to add in the free content you should have downloaded from EOD into your media library folder. So if we go back up to the import, which is File, Import Files on that green cross there. So it's in your Line Dance Business folder, Videos, Media Library. We're going to import both these clips, so we can hold the left button down on the mouse, drag a box across, select them both, open. Okay, so this is a disclaimer and a safety tips. So the first thing you need to do is just create some space here at the bottom. I'm going to take this big file and just drag it to the right there, just to create some space. Move this one along. So we're going to start with the disclaimer. Click on it, hold the left mouse button down and drag it. Drag it all the way down to track 1 on the timeline. Then we'll take our safety tips, drag that one all the way down to the timeline. Then we can move these up. Take the teach up there and this one outro right at the end. Okay, all rearranged. Now just before we move on to the final video in this series, if we zoom in again using the slider bar in the middle, there we go, zoom right in. So then we see our clips. Now what we can do is just fade between one clip and another, or add transitions. We'll get into these things a bit later on, but for now we're just going to look at fading. So if we take the intro here and just slightly overlap it against the other one, you can see it's put a blue blob on it. So this we can drag along or double click. Now it should fade in between one clip and another when we press play. There you go. Just see that again. Nice professional fade in. So we can do that with the teach as well. And zoom out and just pop the end one and just overlap that slightly as well. Okay, that's it.